Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Foodie Friday, and we're going to be taking a look at another 2 episodes of EUNHA doing some eating some food. She didn't do any cooking. She participated by being lovely and cute around a chef. So today we've got 2 more episodes. The first one I can see right here because it starts off seeing nude gimbap, and the other one looks like some sort of pancake. Last week she made some tteokbokki and some squid rings and something else. Like a squid ring pancake omelette type deal. Looked very nice. So we're going to see what today's is. Like I just said, nude gimbap. That's how it starts, this first one. So let's get into this. I'm excited to see these just because I enjoy watching EUNHA being cute. I have no other explanation. That's literally why I'm here. Let's go. There we go. It's not selenade. I don't need food. Her being cute sustains me enough.
정말 파는 맛인 것 같아요.
I wonder if that's a sauce they made last week. So, gimbap. Similar to sushi in some ways.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
여자친구의 은하입니다.
혼시 윤재욱입니다.
와.
She's so cute. So cute. I'm gonna try. I need to come out of other words than cute.
누드김밥 싸본 적 있으신가요?
오, 저는 한 번도 누드김밥.
Does that mean it's fresh?
김밥
Rather than-
내부로 한 번씩
네.
Fried or cooked? By being nude?
훨씬 깔끔하게 사용하실 수 있습니다. 일단 이렇게 썰 거니까 돌돌 말아주세요.
This looks easy, you know? Straightforward. Oh, okay, right. This is when I'd lose my fingers.
처음 봐요.
Yeah.
아니요.
Try it. You're on a cooking show. Try it, dear. Go on. You're fine.
아유,
듬뿍 넣어주시면 요즘에 유행하는
I'll just watch, it's
밥
fine.
빼시고 하시면 키토 김밥도
네.
가능하고요.
Keto. Oh, keto was in the diet.
은하 씨는
Is that the
재료 중에
네.
no carbs diet?
야채나 이런 거 드세요?
오, 저는 다 먹기는 하지만 오이랑 당근을 좋아하지는 않아요.
당근 뺄까요?
아, 근데 괜찮아요. 네, 또 넣으면 더 예쁘고 이렇게 멋져 보이잖아요.
순대 때문에 싫어하시는 분들도 있거든요.
네네네.
살짝 볶아가지고
네네.
순대를 날리고 한번
네.
싸보도록 하겠습니다.
네.
Green scent. It's mostly just a fresh smell, really, from like most vegetables. Other than like fresh tomatoes,
준비된 거.
my body cannot handle the smell of
조금만.
freshly cut tomatoes.
굉장히 먹음직스러워 보이는데요?
안 좋아하시잖아요.
Just that.
네, 먹음직스러워 보이는데?
너무
You will
흐물흐물해지지
look
않게
appetizing.
가위만 이제 조금 투명해지게 볶아주시면 돼요.
중요한.
Lightly
네.
fried.
밥은 좀 뜨거울 때 싸시는 게 편하거든요.
아, 네.
식은 다음에 싸면
네.
사실 싸기가 좀 힘드세요. 이렇게 밥
아, 예.
균일하게
예.
펴기도 힘드시고
네.
조금 옮기가
I could
있을
imagine
때
so.
누드김밥 할 거라
It's more
기름 너무 많이
like a
넣으면 이따가
cement
김에 안
type.
먹거든요.
네.
그래서 조금만
Colder it gets.
정도만 넣어주시고요.
네.
So is this just the normal standard white rice, or is it sticky white rice?
고소하게.
고소하게 꽉꽉
Extra bit of
섞으시면
crunch.
밥알이 으깨지거든요.
네네.
그러면은 김밥이 맛이 없어요. 그래서 김밥 이제 싸보도록
So
하겠습니다.
lightly fold it with your fingers, really.
해보실 건가요?
네.
She's gonna do something, lads. She's gonna do something.
하다가 실패하면 이렇게 밀어놓고 이렇게. 네네. 안 하는 척. 네.
거슬거슬한 부분에다가 밥을 이렇게 펴주시면 돼요.
All right.
네, 꾹 찍으셔가지고 그래서 밥을
네.
See, the camera is focusing in one way.
유행이거든요.
We're gonna get a cheeky cut that she did it herself.
와우. 네.
여기다
We didn't see any of that, but for the benefit of the doubt,
재료
we'll
넣을
let her
Okay.
off. We'll let her off. Crab meat
햄도 넣고
out of the window. No
약간
thanks.
이렇게 공간
I'll find something
이
else.
사이에다가
네.
당근이나
Maybe some
계란 튀기는
sausage.
것들을 넣고
오.
얘네가 받침대 역할을 해줄 거예요.
네.
Not good with fish.
예.
Sea-based creature food.
네, 우엉은 잘 먹습니다.
당근 이 사이에다가 이렇게
열심히 볶은 당근이.
네.
I'd be alright with a veggie type one, like eggs, carrots, and stuff. Just no fish-based things. My palate has not become
끝을
fan of that
들어주세요.
yet.
이렇게.
And this is where it'd all go wrong for me with the rolling.
이렇게 한번 잡을 거예요.
Lolling.
어떤 느낌이죠?
네, 뭔가 될 것 같은 느낌이네요. 네.
So you roll and squish at the same time, I guess.
밀어주고.
Sort of keep. Oh, ooh.
안에도 한번 더 잡아주시고 자신
That was pretty
없으면
neat. I thought you'd do it all. Roll, move, roll. But no.
이걸
Get a little bit
밀어줄 거예요.
and use momentum.
안에도 한번
Ah,
자신 없으시면
just like the Egyptians building a pyramid.
한번 쭉.
Momentum.
그리고 딱 발을 뗐는데 이상한 모양이 어떡하죠? 네.
확 풀어주면
꼭.
하고 대신에 이렇게 김밥이 나옵니다.
오,
Nice.
너무 예쁜데.
Cut off the ends, tidy it up.
오, 잘 싸셨는데요?
저도 말렸어요.
Babe, it looks great.
일단
It looks great.
김밥을 마르지 않게
That's a success.
충분히 아름다운데.
Squeeze a bit more. Yeah, why not?
네. 소스를 얼른 끓여보도록 하겠습니다. 일단 우유랑 생크림 준비해 주신 걸 1대1로
Oh, so I thought they were just using the wonky sauce that they made last week.
보글보글 끓다 보면 단백질이 응고가 되면서 지방하고 단백질 분리가 될 수 있거든요.
Yeah.
치즈를
Is that where you get the skin off the milk?
안에
Is that what I'm
들어가서
at?
좀
Oh, it's already, yes. You've got me. You've won me over by just saying the words 2 slices of cheddar cheese.
간하고
Yes.
그 농도를 좀 맞춰줄 거예요. 얘가 살짝 저어주시면 돼요.
I wonder what else were in it, because it looked a little like a bit red. Yeah, there we go. Oh, catching on, guys.
밑에 알갱이가 이제 남아있고
Cheesy, spicy sauce. You know what?
졸여질 동안
Yeah,
김밥도
yeah.
한번 썰어볼까요?
네,
I
좋습니다.
might do this, but find some
김밥
of a
썰을 때
substitute for the crab,
썰어도 되지만
네.
이게 뭉개질 수 있거든요.
네.
그래서 이런 빵칼
like a hot dog.
네.
훨씬 더 깔끔하게 재료까지 써실 수 있어요.
아,
She didn't look too confident there with a knife, did she?
훨씬 더 깔끔하게
Oh,
재료까지 써실 수 있어요.
아.
그러면은
still with a knife.
네,
Still
과감하게 썰어주시면 됩니다.
Yep. Tidy it up, see? Pretend the other parts didn't exist.
속재료가 약간씩 나오려고 하는데 괜찮겠죠?
예.
Can't help that. Can't help that. Don't worry. Don't worry, love.
이나표 누드김밥.
My God. Oh, how does such a creature exist?
단계에서 성공한.
당근이 거의 없는데요.
I'm glad she participated in this episode.
아, 당근이 왜 이렇게 없어졌지?
뽐내는 게 중요하니까.
But now the best part.
쌀가리 같은 경우는
Put the sauce on and eat it. See?
같은
Even
경우는
he had a shit end. Flip it round. No one noticed. You know what? I think she did a better job. Oh, no, sticking out here, but sticking out there, sticking out. That's sticking out. Look at this. Neat. All the way through.
요새 유행하는 그 로제 소스 같은.
I'd love to try some of this sauce. This intrigues me a lot, this sauce.
네.
Get that nice slow-mo shot. Gourmet.
조금 더
They've slightly upped the saturation there. They're a bit warmer colours. You've upped that. Yep. Nice.
날치알로 조금 더
오.
이 장식을 해볼게요.
네.
How about that?
한 줄 뿌려주시면은 훨씬 고급스러워 보이거든요.
You fucked it, mate. Ruined it. Should have just left it. Cheesy hot sauce. I don't know what that stuff is. We said fish. Is that fish eggs? Dirty bastard.
듬뿍 찍어야 맛있겠죠?
Is it too much for you?
정말 너무 맛있어요.
Yeah?
이거 진짜
Nice.
일단 소스가 그 기본 소스가 너무 맛있어서 그런지 정말 파는 맛인 것 같아요. 나들이 갈 때 딱
Probably.
이런
Serves it is.
김밥 싸가면 너무너무 행복하고 좋을 것 같네요.
I guess you can have that hot or cold, really.
좋아요와 구독 꼭 눌러주세요. 안녕.
Bye. Right. And here I can take a screenshot and translate all of this. I think this is definitely going on the list of things I might try. Just swap out the crab for something else. But overall, This is a 9 out of 10. Would try. Definitely. Give that video a like. And then we will look at the second video here. And what an opening shot. Let's get in. Snack fairy. Right. Yeah, okay, I thought it were like a pancake, but it's not, it's like rice. Is that cheese? Is that basically just rice and cheese? Oh! Oh! I think we found a winner. Hey! I think we found the first one. I'll try.
음식 윤지훈입니다.
와.
떡볶이 이렇게 드시고 나서
네.
그 국물에 밥 볶아 드시는 게 너무 좋다고 많이 말씀하시거든요.
맞아요. 저도 즉석 떡볶이를 사실 밥 때문에 먹는 것 같아요.
떡볶밥이라고.
Alright, yeah. So with the rest of the sauce, slinging some rice. Right.
떡볶이
Okay.
국물에 밥을 볶아 먹는 그런 느낌으로 많이 보던 그
오. 네.
친구.
Right. Alright, yeah. Okay, I was going to be like, huh? It's like, yeah. He made something, said,
일주일
if
동안
you freeze it, it can last a month
맞습니다.
or a whole week.
볶음밥이니까 밥 있어야
Something like that.
네.
그리고 보통
Guess it depends how often you have it.
떡볶이
Seems these guys every day.
네.
김가루 날치알 이거는 사실 필수거든요.
맞아요, 맞아요. 그러면 대표님 떡볶밥이잖아요.
네.
그러면 볶음밥을 먹다가 떡볶이가 먹고 싶어지면 어떡하죠?
그래서 이제 떡을 좀 준비했거든요.
아니.
볶음밥에
네.
떡을 좀 넣어서 조리를 할 거고요.
아, 정말요?
네.
Ah.
좀 얇게 썰어줄게요.
Ah, right, okay. So it's not just rice.
이제 양파 먼저 볶을게요. 불 중불로
네.
올려주시고요.
네.
Don't mind onions as long as they're like properly thinly, nicely diced like that. So when they're fried up or caramelized.
양파랑 마늘
Good.
좀 배게 한
Well, I
다음에
read onion.
볶음밥을 만들 거예요.
네. 더 맛있겠네요.
기름을 조금 넉넉하게 다진 마늘 넣어주고
Can't beat a bit of garlic.
다진 마늘이 타지 않게 불
지.
조금 약간 불 조절해주면서
네.
I like she's like, yep,
넣어서 기름에
she's not doing this.
같이 좀 익혀주시면 되거든요.
Ooh, those might be nice.
오.
Oh, so that's a shot at the beginning we saw.
소스 붓겠습니다.
Nice chunk.
지난번에 이 양념을 만들 때 이렇게 기름에 볶았었잖아요.
네네.
그것처럼 볶는 거예요?
이 기름이랑
It's not doing much, is it?
따로 놀지
I'm sure it'll
않고
start to separate soon
하나로
enough. Maybe with a little bit of
정도로만 볶아주시면 돼요.
water or
처음에
milk.
이렇게 먼저 기름에 붓고 하니까 하나도 안 불고 뭉쳐지지 않는 것 같아요.
네, 약간
네.
기름 떡볶이 이런 거 있잖아요.
네.
그런 느낌이기도 하죠.
맞아요,
사실
맞아요.
양념 좀 덜어내면 오늘 최요비 유튜브 찍는데
네.
다른 멤버분들은 뭐 말씀
Oh,
없어요?
have they done a whole show? I might have to look for this. Do you guys know this? If they did a whole show?
일단은 굉장히 이렇게 멋진 셰프님과 함께하는 기회를 아주 부러워했고요. 맛있게 먹고 오라고 멤버들이 많이 말해줬습니다.
이렇게 기름에
I wonder if when they found out the rest of the girls that she was going to be on the show, were they ever thinking like, is she going to learn a recipe to come back and cook us, or do you think they'll just be like, oh, she's just going to go and enjoy some food today, and that is probably all we're going to get.
이렇게 해준 다음에
Maybe bring some leftovers back.
넣을 거예요.
Ah. See, there's not much to it. A little bit of oil goes a long way. It does look pretty good though.
날치알 좀 넣어주시면 되거든요. 전 날치알
No,
좋아해서
mate.
날치알
No.
좋아하세요?
Why?
네, 볶음밥에 있으면 톡톡 터지는 게 맛있죠.
Maybe when they're fried together, it might just give that little bit of fishy hint.
비비듯이 볶아주시고요.
Maybe you don't see them, so you forget then you don't eat them. Don't notice.
이런 건 안 되나요?
별 모양이
아닙니다.
Not for me.
피곤해지는데. 예, 치즈를 올리겠습니다.
What cheese? Mozzarella.
치즈.
Cheddar cheese. Nice.
맛이 없을 수가 없네.
Is that like is that like the just thin American style? You know, that it basically looks like plastic. Really thin slices, just peel them off, put them on.
요새 말 중에 맛업이라는 말 아세요?
Oh,
맛이
맛있어.
없을 수가 없다 이런 말.
맛
맛업이네요.
밑에는 조금
Oh,
늘어붙여야
you're delicious.
맛있잖아요.
네 맞아요.
조금 밑에는 늘어붙게 해주고 위에 이제 치즈가
Yeah.
들어가서
Oh, yeah.
김가루를 막.
Didn't think of the textures. Bottom will be nice and fried, and you got the gooiness on the top. Yes, yes, yes. What about a bit of parsley? Crack a bit of salt and pepper on it as well.
치즈도
You know what? Actually, you know what would go really well on this? If you want to do this on your cooking show, guys, one extra thing: slap a fried egg on there.
이제 불 꺼주셔도 되고요.
Yeah.
그다음에 김가루로 마무리
she's
해주시면
ready.
됩니다.
All right, okay. You do have some garnish.
치즈
Fine.
너무 가리면 안 예쁘니까 가리만 좀 이렇게.
저 한 입만 먹어.
You haven't got a fried egg.
뜨거우니까 조심.
Fried egg would work
감사합니다.
great. It'll be warm. Descriptions.
너무 맛있어요.
It's a good start.
맛 없으시나요?
아니요 너무
He was waiting. He was waiting for more, just like I was. He was waiting for I like the textures, the crunchiness, the spiciness, the cheesiness.
맛있는데요? 너무 맛있어요.
저번이랑 다르신 것 같은데. 맛업 아닌가요?
맛없인데요?
맛업
없지 않아요. 너무 맛있어요.
Oh, look at this. That is all of that is right up my street. Apart from that little
유나 씨 오늘
fishy things.
떡볶밥 같이 만들어봤는데요.
네,
뭐 어느 분께 만들어주고 싶으세요?
저는 분식의 떡볶이를 그렇게 맛있다고 칭찬했던 저희 오빠에게 친오빠에게 만들어주고 싶네요. 그럴 리는 없겠지만.
Fine.
여자친구 멤버 중에 또
At least she's honest.
아름다우신 유나 씨하고 이렇게 요리해볼 수 있어.
This should be for you. But he's not wrong with the rest of it. Actually, they're all beautiful.
네, 또 맛있게 드셔주시니까.
She's clearly my favourite, guys, but
여러분,
They're all
최고의
definitely
요리
on
비결 유튜브에 좋아요
구독
눌러주세요.
눌러주세요.
안녕.
right. Oh, did they miss up in the graphics there for a second? I don't know why I can't. Anyway, this one. This is the first one I will try. Definitely, definitely, definitely. I'm not even going to put it in a poll. I am going to try and make this if I can get all this down. Doesn't seem too hard, but we'll see. I might try and buy the sauce rather than make it. That's where it might all fall apart. But no, definitely those 4 recipes from last week's and this week's. The last one's definitely like top-notch first one. Yes, 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 yes. But overall, can you guess what I'm going to say? Yes, that was fun. It was fun, adorable, cute, great food. I like these. So next up we've got the 4 episodes with So-On. So next week will be the first 2 she does, and then following that the next. So out of these 2 recipes, which one would you have? If you're going to make the... What's it? From the beginning, the gimbap. What would you put in yours? Would you have it the same? Or would you swap out some of the ingredients and make your own? If so, give me some ideas of what I could maybe put in mine that's not fish related. Maybe some meat alternatives or different things. We shall see. I have a slight idea that I might try and combine the cheesy fried rice and roll that up. I don't know. Well, I'll think about that, but let me know your thoughts below, what you've thought about this, the past 2 overall. Of the 4, what would you eat? Would you try them all? Have you tried them all? And if you have, how successful were you? That's my worry with things like this, is I might get all the recipes, get it all together, start preparing it, and then I'll add too much of one thing or not enough of something else, and then it's all just ruined, and all that time making it is just gone to waste. So we shall see. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff for the algorithms, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.